You know you're not alone in feeling overwhelmed. I get it, right? It's a huge adjustment, even for the experienced parents out there. Seriously, it's a huge adjustment. So, if you're looking for like a video that will give you a survival guide, this video is for you. In this video, I want to explore some practical tips, tricks. I'll give you a kind of sanity saving strategies that will help you navigate your first few months with a newborn. Seriously, it's not easy. When I was leaving that hospital ward and coming back with my baby, all I was thinking, how am I going to cope? How am I going to, what's the next thing to do? But you know what? Nothing really prepares you for motherhood. It's a kind of a first, you need to have a first hand experience about this thing, okay? And you kind of learn on the job. So I say, you know what, I'll flow with the tide. Once I get home, I'll take it one step at a time. So yeah, it's a huge adjustment. Let's just dive right in. If you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Lizzie. I'm a new mom. You're welcome to my channel. See, I want to let's just talk about some things, okay? Let's talk about sleep. You know, being a new mom, everybody needs sleep, obviously, and being pregnant for 9 months, let's just say 10 months, because this thing is not 9 months, it's 10 months actually, 40 weeks. Like me, I carried my baby for 39 weeks and 6 days, so it's approximately 40 weeks, and this is 10 months. And in that 10 months, you're struggling with how to sleep, eating, and all that. You're being uncomfortable, seriously uncomfortable throughout that 9 months. And yeah, after giving birth to your baby, you need to sleep, you need enough rest. And we'll be tired, we'll be tired you per se. But if you don't have a helping hand, or you don't have a supportive partner, this thing is going to be very cumbersome for you. And yeah, you just have to cope. Let me give you something, a tip of how you can manage your sleep. See, I had a help. My mom was here, and my younger sister, and also my husband was the one running around for some things. But my mom was practically here for the homungo. She helped me throughout the whole thing. She told me, if the baby sleeps, leave this social media stuff, leave your phone, go and sleep, go and have rest. And I gave birth through CS, okay, and I was struggling to, my stitches, the pain, and all that. So yeah, she told me, once the baby sleeps, once the baby sleeps, please sleep. Take a nap. If the baby is napping, that 10 minutes, 15 minutes is something. Okay, because in the first few months with the baby, you'll be feeding the baby almost 2 to 3 hours every day. It's like a round clock. So you need sleep. You need sleep. And how do you do that? Once the baby sleeps, just go and sleep. Okay? And again, if you're co-sleeping with your baby, like me, I co-sleep with my baby. You guys, I bought this baby crib, and I'll tell you for free that I didn't sleep on this. I didn't sleep. My baby didn't sleep on that baby crib for even a day. Okay, so we co-sleep. So if you're co-sleeping, co-sleep safely with your baby. Once baby sleeps, just go and take a nap. Leave your phone for that few months. Okay, for that first few months with the baby, just leave your phone and go and sleep. Once the baby naps, go and nap. Don't feel guilty asking for help. Please don't be a jagaban of a woman. If your baby sleeps and you're feeling so tired and all that, please go and rest your head so you can rejuvenate and continue with the whole lot of things that you need to do. Find a way to make your baby is the kind of person that doesn't sleep like that. Just find a way to make a baby very uncomfortable, very comfortable. Sorry, make a baby very comfortable. Like my baby doesn't sleep. He always is hot. Okay, not like babies that you cover them with swaddle, cover them with this. My baby, if you cover my baby with that, my baby will not sleep. So even the doctor recommended I will switch on the fan or the AC for the baby. And yes, because the weather is very hot, just find a way. If the weather is cold, make a baby, put swaddles and all that, and make a baby, find a way to make a baby sleep comfortably so that you can sleep as well. And let's talk about feeding. Okay, um feeding. If you're breastfeeding, if you're formula feeding, it's left for you to decide which one, okay? But if you're breastfeeding, the key thing here is good latching. Latching is the key, okay? Good latch is the key. If your baby is not latching well on your breast, you tend to have this milk bleb all the time. You have pain, your breast will be paining you all the time. So yeah, find a good position to be able to breastfeed your baby very well. Latching is the key. If you're bottle feeding, fine, just find a way to make your baby, feed well and all that. Make your baby to feed healthy, okay? If you're the one that is pumping, okay, make sure you invest in good breast pumps, okay, and also explore other techniques. If you're not comfortable with this technique, and explore other techniques. If you don't buy good pump, I'm telling you that you'll be feeling pain, as the thing is pumping, like you'll be feeling pain. So invest in a very good um breast pump if you know that you want to pump. Or if you're chest